Looking for a condo that's more than just a place to live? Dito lang yan sa Covent Garden here in Santa Mesa, Manila. Come on, let's take a tour. Isa sa mga plus factor ng condo na to is meron siyang malaki at air-conditioned na lobby. Tara, pasukin natin. Welcome to our amenity pool area. As you can see, we have kiddie pool and adult pool na perfect for recreation and relaxation. Sweat and achieve your fitness goals here in our fitness gym. So as you can see, sa mga equipments, kumpleto siya from cardio to strength training machine. Meron din tayong sariling function hall na libre nyo magagamit sa inyong mga special occasion.
And here is our actual unit upon turnover. Standard quality finish na siya, kaya lilipatan nyo na lang.
Dali lang ang requirements dito. Basta meron kang 2 valid ID, proof of billing, and 30,000 reservation fee, may condo ka na. This is pet-friendly, perpetual ownership, and mababa lang ang density unit per floor, kaya hindi talaga siya crowded. Thank you for joining me on this tour. For more details and actual viewing, just message my number below and hope to see you soon.